Hey everybody, welcome to Froggy Stocks. Nothing I say is financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Not a financial advisor. This is a video about my final dip buy on AMC before this big run for these dividends, man. Fix my mic a little bit here. This is big. I bought some this morning in a dip I called out really beautifully. Called it around $25. People loaded in. Perfect recovery, right? Right here. We called it right here, man. I think there's going to be one more opportunity to get in. Maybe around 25 or under 25 bucks, maybe under 25.50. But the point is, I got cash set aside again from today from gains I had on NCMI, which was up 11%, over 50% since I called it. I'm taking those, I'm putting them into AMC to get even more dividend, right? So here's what I'm thinking. Today, 25, 50, 26 bucks, really hot zones. You can look at the options chain. $25 has over 20,000 calls that are in the money for today. 25.50, 7,000 calls. 26, 7,555. Looks like the shorts have ran out of pressure. They're having trouble suppressing the price. We may see another dip before we close to try to get those options under those strike prices. If not, it's going to be extremely bullish. If they do, it's still pretty bullish because the puts aren't going to do very well. They're just going to be, zeroed out. So this is what I'm thinking. Either today we see another opportunity for a $24.87, $25 range, or Monday we're going to see an opportunity where they drop AMC 3 to 5% on Monday, or during that week before Friday, and I'll tell you why. Friday next week, the 19th, is the third week of the month. The options chain has to clear out. There's over 22,000 calls open on the $25 strike during the date of the dividend issuance. That is huge. If these calls land in the money 2 weeks in a row, and then the 19th they land in the money, that is a very big deal. It could cause some big things in the options chain, a lot of price action, a lot of failure to delivers are going to happen, and that's why I'm talking about this now, planning my next dip buy. It looks like already this week they are going to process a crap ton of failure to delivers to try to suppress this stock price. But remember, back in the annual, Adam Aaron said specifically, we have been in talks with the NYSE about the failure to delivers you are also concerned about, and we plan to do it again in the future. He said that because he knows with this dividend issuance, there is going to be massive failure to delivers going forward, even though the price is going to continue to climb. So next week, I'm going to try to plan a dip buy around 25 or under, which we're heading right back down to 25.50 right now. If I can get 25 or under, I'm going to slam a full order. If it's a little above 25 or 25.50, I'm going to buy in different chunks through the week to try to catch the lower price. But I'm going to be doing it live. I'm going to be live on Twitter. I'm going to try to stream every day. When I decide to make these purchases, it won't be a full day stream. It's just going to be, I'm going to see the chart going. I'm going to hop on live. I'm going to talk about where I'm going to buy. And people can follow along if they want. And that's why I'm calling this the final dip. It's coming. This is it. I don't think you're going to see AMC stock under $26 after the 19th. I think APE is going to absolutely explode, and AMC in kind is going to have a lot of people covering their shorts due to recalls or such things like that because they do not have the dividend to issue to the people who lent them shares. So close position, recall, short covering, APE blowing up because it has no options chain weight and no suppression. So the demand for APE's going to go through the roof. So I'm going to try to nail one more dip by next week, and I'm going to do it live. You can follow along with me. If you want to jump in, you can. I called it today. A bunch of people got in, made a ton of money. We called Revlon at $1.70, me and Froggy Styles. People made over 500% on that. We took profits at $9 and $10. I called NCMI at $1.15. We're up over 50, 60% on that. Coors, an unusual whales call that was out months ago. I started following that, posting about that. I'm up over 40% on that, and it looks like it's getting ready to run over 350. So my call options on that are going to print before September 15th. So anyways, that's all this video was about. And also I fixed my microphone so it is no longer making that stupid ringing noise in the background, which I really apologize for. Either way, if you want to follow along, get on Twitter, follow me on Twitter at tspencer322. Let me make sure that's right. Yep, at tspencer322. Watch for my post. Please like, subscribe to the video. Set your reminders, set your alerts on YouTube so this comes in and triggers. If you have set alerts in the past, please take your alerts off and reset your alert, because at some point in time, YouTube decided not to send alerts out to people for some way my account was set up. But from today through to August 19th, I'm going to be streaming a lot. I'm going to be on Twitter a lot. This is the moment. The shorts are trapped. They have to buy APE. They can't buy APE because we own it all. Demand will go through the roof. Failure to delivers are going to go through the roof, which means we're going to have exponential price growth through the next months or so. And the beautiful thing about this is, with our revenues returning, and if Adam Aaron decides to issue more APE later on and sell it at a premium price, he could literally clear $5 billion of AMC debt off the books with as little as 1.5 billion APE, because everybody's going to want it. So imagine a debt-free AMC going into 2023 with $1 billion in revenue returning just on movies, probably $2 billion in credit cards, $500 million with retail popcorn and grocery stores, but the potential to convert the APE he sold to pay debt over to AMC stock and then buy it back, erasing all that dilution. AMC fundamentally could be a $200 a share company without any squeeze scenario. So I'm horribly excited for this. I refuse to sell AMC or APE under anything under $100. That's just a joke. $60, $50, $60, $70. We were setting $50 price targets just based on fundamentals on credit cards, popcorn, and theater going. Now we have a bank. We have 4.5 billion shares of preferred stock that short sellers absolutely have to buy lest they get crushed in their short positions, that AMC and Adam Aaron can sell at premium prices, clearing AMC debt off the books for probably discounts too, because some of the people that hold the debt are short the company, also need APE. We could get 30, 40% discounts. This is huge, you guys. Anyways, that's all I had for the video. Appreciate y'all coming. Hope the sound quality's better. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, hit the alert button. Go to Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. We're going to buy the final dip, and we are going to go to the moon. Super excited. Oh, go to the movies. Use AMC On Demand. Buy the popcorn. Go see Dragon Ball Superhero this next Friday on the